was told that this wig can hold the curls all day long, so we're gonna put it to the test today.
Watching Kaayladee, Caribbean queen, Kaayladee, Caribbean queen, beautiful.
Alright, first, before we get into this video, let's just go ahead and unbox my wig. So this is the box that your wig does come in. As you guys can see, the wig does come with the lace pre-cut. It's pre-bleached and the knots are already plucked for you. And apparently these curls are supposed to last you all day long, so we're gonna go ahead and put that to the test. Let's just go ahead and try this wig. Alright y'all, come closer. Let me just show you guys what this lace is looking like up close. And I'm really impressed just because the wig itself does not have that extra elastic band. You guys know most of these wigs nowadays, they always have like that extra elastic band in the back. This one does not have that. The fact that it does not have like the extra elastic band in the back, but my wig feels so secured. It feels super snug on my head. This is looking really good. I'm just gonna have to go with my hot comb and flatten down this area right here because you guys already know my braids under this wig. They're real big. What the wig is looking like in its natural state. Did not do anything else to this hair. Just took it out the box and put it straight onto my head. I got this wig in a 26 inch. It is pretty long. Also, I'm not quite sure the density, but the hair is pretty full and thick. I will turn around eventually just to show you guys. But so far, this is what the hair is looking like. So far, so good. Now, it is currently 1 p.m. I'm going to wear these curls all day just to see how they hold up. I was told that this wig can hold the curls all day long. So we're going to put it to the test today. I'm about to step outside. I do have some errands to run and we're gonna really see if this wig can really hold a curl all day long. Let's go. All right y'all, this is what it's giving from the back. Y'all see these curls? Okay. Now we are grocery shopping and as you guys can see, curls are still going strong. It is now 5:30 you guys. I'm just getting some meat to cook this week, but yeah. And I've been playing in this hair. Still impressed that these curls are really lasting. And mind you, this wig has been sitting in the box for what, 2-3 weeks now? And the curls are looking so good because I did not retouch the curls at all. So far, tea. It's currently 6:40. Not one curl has dropped. Literally not one strand. I've been out running errands. I went to get a car wash. I did a little grocery. Now we're heading to the mall. My curls are still intact. This wig, amazing. Look at these curls. Like literally look at these curls. They're still intact. I am so in love with this hair. What the hair is looking like in real light. Still so good. Look at these curls. But yeah, 7 hours later. Alrighty, we are back. You can tell I had a long day. Just look at how oily my face is. Let me just go in with a little bit of powder just to get rid of some of this oil on my face because that is crazy. Wow. 8 hours of what? 9 hours of makeup and that is how oily I look. Crazy. Alrighty, okay, let's get right, you guys. It is now 9:12 p.m. I am just getting home. It has been 8 hours since I installed this wig and you guys, the curls are still here. Those are still here. The ones in the back did slightly drop a little bit, as you guys can see. These are the ones that I was like, when I was in the mall, especially today because I was really hot, I had on like a winter coat. I kept pulling these pieces here out. I feel like the pieces in the back that I kept like playing with, like the curls did drop slightly, but it's nothing too crazy. It still definitely has the little wave in it, but it's not as curly as it was initially. But the wave pattern and everything is still there. Still has some bounce to it. These pieces right here in the front, the curls kept all day long. Look at that. The full curl is still intact. Absolutely love this. Still bouncy. The hair is so soft, you guys. The curls are so airtight on this unit. I don't know what they put in it, and it's definitely not hairspray because had they put hairspray in it, it would have been all crunchy and hard. The hair is extremely soft. Just look at that. Look how pretty this hair is. It's definitely giving raw hair, but without that raw hair price tag, and I'm really impressed with it. So of course you guys already know that this is a completely glueless unit. Like, yeah, completely glueless. This unit, wherever you position this wig onto your head, it does not slide back. I was so shocked because I have had wigs where it does come with the extra elastic band in the back and it still slides. This wig does not move on your head. Like, I kid you not, There is no sliding back. For me personally, that is something that is like out of this world. Like when you get a wig like that, just hold on to it, because you don't find too many wigs where it actually says it's glueless but it doesn't slide back, or it doesn't like shift around on your head basically. This wig, I'm not sure whether or not it's one size fit all, because I don't think I've seen anything in the back there to adjust, but the wig is snug on my head, but it's not like too tight where I'm getting a headache. But I'm also shocked because it does not move. But yeah, the fact that it does really hold a curl, the wig does not slide back, it does not move. Me personally, this wig is a 10 out of 10, and the lace looks so natural. Like I did not have to lay down the wig with anything, and the hairline just looks super natural on it. So yeah, in my book, this wig 10 out of 10. But that's one thing I would say with LuvmeHair, they always have some really good wigs. Final verdict, the wig definitely passed the test, and if you're looking for a wig that's gonna hold a curl, your wig is not gonna slide back, and it's not gonna disappoint you, this might be the one. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share. I will have the link to where you can find this exact wig listed down below, so check the description box for that. Other than that, thank you my loves for tuning back in. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.